Good morning everyone, I am Maria Tisha Richa. So today I will be discussing the environmental modifications and assistive technology. We will gonna tackle first the environmental modifications. So environmental modifications may involve workspace modifications, changes in the location of materials and equipment, object modifications or adapting the equipment or materials for given tasks, changing the manner in which the task is done in use of manipulation aids. The most visible type of environmental modification is seen in buildings, office, restaurant, hotels, and other service-oriented places that have been made accessible to persons with disabilities. So, within the regular schools buildings, modifications have to be made in the learning environment to enable the student with physical disabilities and health impairments, and those with severe disabilities participate more fully in the school and classroom activities. Batas Pambansa BLG 344, otherwise known as the Accessibility Law, enacted in 1983, and Republic Act 7277 or the Magna Carta for Disabled Persons, direct schools and institutions to provide barrier-free architecture, which includes but not limited to sidewalks, ramps, handrails, parking spaces, toilet, and restroom facilities for persons with disabilities. So the law provides that classes that have students with physical disabilities should be held in the ground floor as much as possible. Within the classroom, the problem student with physical disabilities may be solved by simple procedures that require little or no cost at all, like the following. Number 1. Modifying school furniture by changing desks and tabletops to appropriate heights for students who are very short or who use wheelchairs. Adjusting seats to turn either side so that the child with braces can sit more easily. Providing footrests, adding hinge extension to the desk with a cut-off for the child who has poor sitting balance, and eliminating protruding parts over which child might trip. Number 2. Providing need-based assistance like taping paper to the desk, devising some means of keeping pencils, crayons, and other materials from rolling on the floor, providing back racks or mechanical page turners, providing wooden pointer to indicate responses on the board, installing paper cup dispenser near water fountains for wheelchair users, and placing rubber mats over the slippery section of the floor. Assistive technology. The United States Congress defined assistive technology as any item, piece of equipment, or product system, whether acquired commercially off the shelf, modified or customized, that is used to increase, maintain, or improve the functional capabilities of individuals with disabilities. So the student use assistive technology so that they can access the same educational opportunities as their peers. For students with disabilities, use either high technology assistive equipment or low technology adaptive devices or both. These are used to increase mobility, perform daily life skills, improve environmental manipulation and control, facilitate better communication, access computers, and enhance learning. Several companies and universities are currently producing technology products that meet the needs of students with disabilities. The categorization of this product is follows. Number 1, mobility aids are assistive technology devices that help people perform movements in a variety of environments. This includes manual and electric wheelchairs, canes, scooters, walkers, vans modified for travels, electronic direction finding, mobility aids, and other adaptation and devices. Number 2, sitting and positioning aids are used to position the disabled person in the best posture to participate in a particular activity. So the activity might involve moving from place to place, sitting during conversation, eating, sleeping, and others. So the specific body features are considered in order to adapt the devices for maximum efficiency and comfort. Number 3, aids for daily living are devices used to increase independence, so they assist an individual in performing functional living skills or self-help activities such as cooking, eating, bathing, toileting, dressing, and home maintenance. Number 4, communication aids includes devices such as speech synthesizers, text-to-speech software, and telecommunication for the deaf. So these argumentative and alternative communication devices assist the student who may have speech difficulties or have difficulty in communicating with other people. Number 5, sensory aids are assistive technology devices for students who have primary disabilities as hearing impairment and visual impairment. So these devices may include hearing aids, FM system, auditory trainers, eyeglasses, low vision aids or magnifying glasses, tactile and visual globe, large print cards, reading devices, and many more. And last, instructional aids refer to the devices and adaptations to materials that help facilitate an individual's learning. So, this includes instructional technology that is used in the education of a person, such as overhead transparencies and projectors. There is a wealth of information that teachers and parents can access, thus allowing them to make informed choices about the products they want to select. So they can start by reading general information on the subject from books and available publications. They can contact national and local agencies, institutions, and disability organizations like the National Council for the Welfare of Disabled Persons or NCWDP, the Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD, the Department of Education or DepEd, the National Orthopedic School for Crippled Children, Philippine National School for the Blind, Philippine National School for the Deaf, Tahanang Walang Hagdan, and Resources for the Blind or RBI. So among others, which can give them the information they need for their child or student with physical or severe disabilities. And that's all for my report. Thank you for listening.